Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear student, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Muhammad Shobuz Mia, your English teacher. I would like to take a class on changing sentence, affirmative to negative. How do you make affirmative sentence to negative? We will learn the technique. Look at the screen. You will see here rule number 1. Only Allah can help us. Here you can see only. That indicates Allah. If only or alone refers to Allah, God or person, we have to use none but at the starting to negative the sentence. For example, none but Allah can help us. So, rule number 1, only Allah can help us. To make this sentence negative, none but Allah can help us. If only or alone refers to Allah or God or person, we have to use none but at the starting to make the sentence negative. Again, he has only toys. Here is also only, but this only refers to things, that means toys. If only refers to things, we have to use nothing but at the place of only to make the sentence negative. For example, he has nothing but toys. I am repeating the rules. He has only toys. He has nothing but toys. If only refers to things, we have to use nothing but. Again, he is only 7. Here is also only. But there is a difference. This only refers to the age or number. If only refers to age or number, we have to use not more than or not less than. So the negative is he is not more than or not less than 7. I am repeating the 3 rules of only. If only or alone refers to Allah, God or person, we have to use none but at the starting of the sentence. If only refers to things, we have to use nothing but. If only refers to age or number, we have to use not more than or not less than. Rule number 2, you must respect your teachers. Here we can see must in the affirmative sentence. If there is must in the affirmative sentence, we have to use cannot but or cannot help plus V1 ing to make the sentence negative. For example, you cannot but respect your teachers, or you cannot help respecting your teacher. I am repeating the rules. if there is must in the affirmative sentence, to make this affirmative sentence negative, we have to use cannot but or cannot help plus V1 ing. Rule number 3. Every rose has a thorn. Here we can see the subject starting with every. After that there is a noun, rose. If there is every at the beginning in the affirmative sentence, we have to use there is no but. Thus, the negative is there is no rose but has a thorn. I am repeating the rules. If there is every at the beginning in the affirmative sentence, we have to use there is no but. Rule number 4. He is too weak to walk. Here we can see a structure in the affirmative sentence, that is to to. To make this type of sentence negative, we have to use so instead of to, and that at the place of to, and then the given subject, then cannot, after that the verb after to. I am repeating the rule. If there is to to in the affirmative sentence, we have to use so instead of to, and that plus the given subject plus cannot plus verb after to. Remember, if the given sentence is in past tense, we have to use could not instead of cannot. Fine. Look at the second script. We have some more rules here. Please. Look at it. He has few books. Here we can see few. To make this sentence negative, we have to use not many. So the rules is, if there is few in the affirmative sentence, we have to use not many to make the sentence negative. Again, she has a little salt. A little. To make this, we have to use not much. If there is a little in the affirmative sentence, we have to use not much to make the sentence negative. Here is another type of affirmative sentence, that is, she is as brilliant as Rita. As as. To make this sentence negative, we have to use not less than. If there is as as in the affirmative sentence, we have to use not less instead of first as, and then instead of second as. Okay, dear student. Firstly, try to understand the rules. Then turn the following sentences into negative. Number A, we have few friends. B, they have a little milk. He is as tall as Hilal. D, the old man lived alone in the village. E, we must do our duties properly. F, every mother loves her child. Z, the girl was too silly to understand the simple matter. Thanks all. And hope you will do your job properly. Thank you.